So what I'm going to be doing today is filling some raised beds using the Hugelkultur method. Now, if you're not familiar with that, it's where you fill the bottom of a raised bed about halfway or more, depending on the depth of your bed, with some form of debris, whether it be, logs, leaves, grass clippings, whatever. In this case, I'm using straw. Now, this is leftover straw I had from last year when I tried straw bale gardening. And as you can tell, it's not broken down enough to be used as compost, but I can use it as a filler. And I decided to do that this year because this monstrosity right here, that is a 4x8x2. That is only 2 feet deep, and that is all soil. There is no debris in the bottom of that. And it costed me like $200 to fill this thing, and then I still ended up having to buy a few more bags, and I don't want to do that again. So this year, I'm going to try this route, and hopefully it works better. So you're going to put the straw in the bottom and kind of wet it as you go. And I think the straw might work really well because you can lay it out somewhat evenly, and as it compresses under the weight of whatever soil you add, we're hoping it'll do so evenly versus sections of large collapse, because sometimes with the Hugel method, if you're using big debris, as it starts breaking down, you'll have sections to collapse. Now this, we're just hoping for more uniform compression and decomposition. So I just figured I'd give it a shot this year, and just wanted to make a little video for it. Today is January 7th, 2026. Have a good one.